I haven't done my hair in a braid in years. What do you guys think?
Not really the world's best braid, but
You're in luck. This is not a hair channel. It's a shopping channel. So what's up, guys? It's Amber. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my closet. And welcome back to the newest episode of my favorite series, unboxing everything I bought this month. So without further ado, August. Okay, guys, we're kicking it off with the best thing. Drumroll, please. Da-na-na-na-na. Oh my god. These are actually some of the rarest Dolce & Gabbana heels ever made. They were from one of my favorite runway collections of all time. Look at how fairy tale inspired they are. They're like actual carved metal. Oh my god, these are so cool. They have the beautiful little filigree detailing here. Straight out of a fairy tale. Look at them on. Oh my gosh, they're so cool. Actually so comfortable too, because like the heel is thick, so again, I could do a lot of flamingoing in these. IRL Beauty and the Beast shoes, a fantasy. This is actually a very Dolce & Gabbana-y haul. Oh. All right, from the Real, ta-da! How beautiful is this? This is a Dolce & Gabbana little corset top. I love these. I just think these are some of the most beautiful shirts ever. They're so cute. They're like little corseted bustier things. I'm obsessed with them. These just hit me perfectly, like right at my waist. So it like gives you that woo. Super flattering little crop tops. I love them, love them, love them. The built-in corset, the little logo. Also got this one. Look at this, guys. This one brand new with tags. I actually got this on the Real also. But this one clearly was Net-a-Porter and originally Dolce & Gabbana, but look at this gorgeous little denim top here. You can see, again, same thing, like literally brand new. So this is the denim one. Oh my God. It's giving like kind of vintage. I love it. You can see it's like the dark denim. OMG, could you die? Look at this. This is the matching mini skirt, which can you believe, weirdly also was on the Real for like nothing. I think I paid 180 bucks for this. This is my size, 38 for the skirt. So cute. I'm always making a joke, you know, about the if you give a moose a muffin, it's like I need this. So if I buy the top, obviously, and I find the skirt, I have to buy the skirt too. But like, oh, look at this. Look at how well this fits. It's so snatched and hot. What do you think, George? Do you love it? Do you like it? Do you care about me at all? Oh, you wanted front row seat to the haul? Okay. I love it. Also in hilarious news, can you believe this? Look at this skirt I got at Target for $25. It's basically identical. This is, honest to God, the best tank top I've ever bought in my life. Look at this. It's a plain tank top, but you can see the color's really nice. It has this stitching detail, which just kind of makes it a little more special. And then there's actually pads in it. This just makes it so even without a bra, when you put it on, it is so form-fitting and tight and stretchy. Like, look at this on. You can see just the minor detailing is so fun. The color is so Barbie. And then look, I'm dead. Shannon, you were just in the background in the towel. No, it's okay. Come say hi. Come say hi to the vlog.
Good morning.
Shannon's staying with me.
Hello. Oh my God, I'm so happy to say hi to everyone.
Hi guys. It's my friend Shannon. You know her, but look how beautiful she is, even
Stop.
straight out of the shower.
Oh my gosh.
She was the one who inspired me. Her braid looks so cute. I was like, I want a braid.
Are we like braiding it? It's like our summer braid. It's great. Yeah. Oh my gosh, my towel's falling.
That's for our other channel. Bye.
Yeah. Subscribe.
It shapes your boobs. Like, look how round and perfect they look. Granted, yes, I have phenomenal boobs anyway. However, the built-in pads just really make it look so nice. Like, this is just it. Needless to say, I didn't just get one. I got literally every color that they sell. I'm not even kidding. I bought them all. I believe that's 30 different colors. The rest of them are arriving later today, but I have all of them. Now I have the blue one. Now I have the light pink one. I have the green one, the gray one, the other gray one, the white one, the other white one, the purpley white one, the red, the purple. Yeah, I have them all. I love these. My hair is getting whacker by the second, but whatever. Okay, you guys saw my Instagram stories. I did decide to do a little extra treasure hunting in France like a couple weeks ago. So I literally went to Paris by myself. Don't even ask. It's a long story that I'll maybe tell someday. I don't know. But here's a little of the shopping that I did while in the city of love. Or in this case, stuff. Look at this ride on the train. Amazing. I love the metro. Alright guys, we are at an old book market. Look at this. Oh, fantastic. Truly just like from time gone by. Like, wow. I obviously can barely read any of this, but like they're so pretty. These little book stands along the Seine are some of my favorite things. Just look at how gorgeous they all are. Oh, wonderful. Like, look at that. Just look. Oh, gorgeous. Oh, and this one, you guys, look. The Women of Shakespeare. Oh my God, this is unbelievable. Look. Wow. Look at this one too. Oh, guys, look at my wonderful collection. Gorgeous. And do you see that? I fear it might be fall. This is just one of my favorite things to do in the whole world. Look at that, they just all happen to match too. Like it was meant to be.
Could be worse.
I did all sorts of wonderful things in Paris. I went to museums, saw paintings, just, oh my God, Paris is such a beautiful little dream. So I didn't bring too much stuff back this time, but of course I did bring some things. Starting with, isn't this beautiful? This is an original sketch, watercolor, do you guys see? Of a famous porcelain brand. Aren't these just unbelievable? Oh my God. You can even see on the back, signed Limoges. So beautiful. You guys might recognize it. My little box from one of my Paris hauls. This is actually Sèvres porcelain, so you can kind of recognize it. Isn't that cool? So these are like the original sketches that they used to make stuff like this. Fabulous. And so for my books, what books did I bring home? Got this one, Guide of Paris, so cute. I also got this pretty little set with the little birds. Oh, gorgeous. We have fables, novels, and like stories for the kids, basically is what that means. These actually look great together. This one is amazing. Look at this one. Oh, this is gorgeous. Paris, London, Keepsake. I love this one. I got this one at the little antique book market. Oh, beautiful. Absolutely gorgeous. You guys know I collect them based on their titles. Look at this. The Physics of Love. Oh, that's so pretty. The pages in this one are weird. They're like green. However, that is an unbelievable title. Gorgeous. Ah! This one says The Gods of Painting. And this one, The Gallery of Women of Shakespeare's. The binding on this is so pretty. And again, the title, The Women of Shakespeare. Oh, look on the inside of this, you guys. Like, this is insanely beautiful. Wow. Oh my God. Like, look at this. Juliet. Oh. Absolutely fantastic treasures. Oh, don't those just look unbelievable? These are the ones that I got in Paris earlier in the summer, and now, wow, look at them all next to each other. Oh my God, this is the best shelf ever. Wow. Literally spectacular art. I had this re-gilded, oh my God, this is something they actually only do in France. They don't do this here. Crunched in my suitcase, but look at how gorgeous it looks now. Oh my God, it's in perfect condition. Now it just matches perfectly with some of my other treasures, like, wow. I've got to put a new photo in this and fix the glass, but that is absolutely magnificently gorgeous. Also went to Cannes, Monte Carlo, all over the place, so the Monaco shopping spree is coming soon too. So many fun things. I really had a wild Euro summer. And now a little black piece of fabric. No, I'm kidding, guys. I think I've shown this in a video before, but I got a new one because they just came out with smaller sizes. But this is the best little strapless shirt you'll ever buy. So this is that same shirt. It really gives you such a snatched figure. Like, look at that. It sucks you in just at all the right places, and it's just like the Skims one. Look. Do you see that? But this shirt is so nice. Like, look, this is, woo! Like, that is hella spandexy. This shirt rocks. Don't mind the fact that the top half of me is tan and the bottom half of me is not tan, guys. I forgot I was gonna be showing my stomach in this video, so I don't have my tanning lotion on there. But anyways, this looks crazy. So this is, wow, do you see that? Woo! Anyway, so this is kind of random, but I picked up this tiaras book. Look at this, guys. I just saw this tiara in Paris. Also saw this one in the museum over the summer. So beautiful. So anyways, I have been really into tiaras. I saw so many crowns this summer. It was absolutely thrilling. But so I'm doing a little tiara case study at the moment. And you know, obviously some are gonna come to 333 very soon. Oh, it's gonna be so fabulous. Speaking of 333, did you guys notice my bracelet? Oh my God. I just got in a canary yellow bracelet. Oh my God, it's insane. And look how cool these are. I had some little like drawing renderings made. Like, how cool is that? Do you guys see it? Like, this is the radiant ring. That's so cool. Oh my God, I'm obsessed with these. These are just so cool. That's available on 333beverlyhills.com. And since I'm feeling friendly today as the princess of my closet, I bestow upon you $15 off whatever you want. You can use code PRINCESS. So happy shopping and enjoy the sparkle. This necklace is so beautiful. I've really been into the silver one lately. You guys know I usually wear gold, but like, you know? Anyways, okay, so I actually have another announcement, you guys. Are you ready? You guys may have noticed while I was filming the outlandishly large pile of random shit. Can you guess what maybe this means? Based on this or that? Any guesses? Huh? So, I'm going on a safari. In like 2 weeks. I am so excited. I got so many random things. I'm gonna try them all on for you right now. Oh my God, guys. This is my dream. Like, so get ready to go wild because I'm gonna go wild. We're taking a trip to literally Africa. Like Africa, I'm going to Africa. Obviously, like, comment, subscribe for that. That vlog is gonna be the coolest vlog I've ever posted in my life. So yeah, I have just got to get ready for that. I need so many things because what the heck do you wear in the dirt to look at lions? I don't know, but I ordered a lot of stuff, so let's find out. Oh my God, like how cute am I going to be? I don't actually know if this is appropriate. Like I said, I mean, probably not, but that's okay. Like, obviously I should probably wear pants, but I don't care. I thought this was fire. Like, I obviously am probably gonna have to wear something that makes like more sense than this, but like, I'm really gonna be going for like Kim Possible, Indiana Jones meets Lara Croft vibes. It's gonna be a fashion show, I'm telling ya. Oh my God. I don't know, you guys. Is this appropriate? Honestly, no. Nothing I wear is really appropriate for any occasion. That's my specialty. But like, you ain't never seen anybody go on safari quite like me. Sex the trash man? I actually got most of this stuff on Fashion Nova. Who knew that they had like a whole safari collection pretty much? Ugh. Oh, it's gonna be iconic. Oh, I'm so excited. Look at me. This is like honestly so not my style at all. As you know, this is extremely covered up for me, but like Sydney Sweeney just went on actually like the same safari that I'm going to, same camp and everything. So if I would steal her idea for a look here a little bit, but make it me. Again, this is my version of a safari hiking shoe. We'll see how I fare. It's gonna be lions and tigers and my crazy outfits. Oh my. All right, let's see. What else did I get? From yellow bracelet to yellow dress. Okay, so you guys saw this on my Instagram. Oh my God, this dress is insane. I love it. It's so cha-cha-cha. However, you can see, I got a lot of stains on this because I wore it to a party in the south of France, which you'll see again in the vlog. But this dress is insane. It fits so well. It's just like so sexy. Ooh hoo hoo. You guys know I love House of CB, but wow. This dress really outdid itself. I've filmed in here before, but there's actually a Skims store in LA. So I went to visit the flagship and I already have this. You guys already know I'm obsessed with the nipple bra. I think it's the greatest thing ever. But I also got the nippleless version. I love it. So since this isn't necessarily appropriate for like everything, which is the same bra, same shape, everything, but like no, a little less, just a little less. And that's what I bought in August. So I'll see you guys in Africa. Oh my God. Definitely gonna buy some weird things over there. So stay tuned for September, everything I bought. And I am wishing you a very magical day, evening, whatever time it is that you're watching this. And I will see you guys very soon. All my love in the world and then some. Like, this is how the tank top looks with no bra on. It's just like, look, your boobs still, oops.